Chester and Leo. Puppies. Did everybody have a good sleep? Yeah. Did everybody have a good sleep? Are you a good boy? Yeah. Chester, did you have a good sleep too? Yeah. Okay, it's time to start the day. Good morning, guys. Madison has just gone off to school. I'm having my coffee. And we laid out the carpet last night, but it was like really not laying nicely flat, so it had a lot of ripples and stuff in it. So we flipped over the dining room table and we're just kind of trying to flatten it out so that I can get this room hopefully back together today. I did the curtains yesterday. That was kind of a big ordeal. So I had to, you know, wash them and then I had to steam them. Just a lot of material there, but I think they look really nice. And the day before that, I cleaned the chandelier, so I think that looks really pretty and sparkly. I also replaced all the bulbs in there. And I have to put everything back accordingly into my china cabinet. Just show you guys around a little bit. I'm starting to get my living room back. Everything needs a really good cleaning though. Everything's covered in spackle dust and it's still dark in here. It's a dark and cold, spooky morning here in the Brennan house. So yeah, you guys have seen this multiple times through this adventure, but I finally get to put all this stuff back today. I can't wait to do it and get my house back put together the way that it has always been. And then hopefully by the end of the week, we can start decorating for Halloween. I have a ladder here, of course, because hanging up chandeliers and curtains and whatnot. So this guy is giving me hope. I can start decorating soon. This was the only thing that I had gotten done this year for fall. All right, so I am going to go upstairs and get some computer work done, and then maybe I'll do some yoga and take a shower and start my day here. Yeah, last week I was really bad. Sorry for the darkness. But I only went to, no, I never went to the gym. I did yoga one day, that was it. That's all the workout that I had last week. So I gotta get moving today. Maybe at least I'll get some yoga in. First, gotta make the bed. Taking a quick break from my computer work this morning just to have some oatmeal and water. The dogs are currently eating as well, so I'm gonna eat something and then take the dogs for a walk. And then hopefully I'll be able to start putting things back in place around the house. I think they might be ready for their walk. I just had 2 doggy heads in my lap. Are you guys ready? Who wants to take a walk? Let's go. You too, Chester, come on. Oh, Leo is ready. Look at Leo. He's ready. Are you ready, Chester? Are you ready too? Yeah? All right, let's go. Good morning, guys. I just wanted to pop in and say hi. I have a hard time showing my morning face. I kind of look like a troll in the morning, so I usually don't show myself, at least until I wake up a little bit and put some makeup on. But, do you like my shirt? I'm done adulting. Let's go to Disney. So I'm just doing some stuff around the house today, nothing too exciting. Usually on Mondays, I try to like not go anywhere or do anything outside of the house because I usually have to play catch up from the weekend, which I am doing. I am still unpacking our bags from our little weekend getaway down the shore for the wedding, and doing laundry and just catching up on tidying up around the house and putting things back together after all of the construction that we've recently had done. So that's what I'm doing, and I just thought I would kind of say hi to you guys, show my face for a minute, and I'm going to continue with my day. So I'll check in with you guys later. It cracks me up when the dogs sleep like this with their feet up. So silly. So I'm clearing things out and it's starting to look a lot less cluttered, and everything's in the dining room now, so I'm just like kind of reorganizing my china cabinet, and I have the cabinet back here that I keep all of my Christmas dishes in, so that all has to be put back. But the productive thing that I did today was I went through all my candles. So in this piece of furniture here, I have all of my candles and Scentsy stuff, and this drawer always sticks. Hold on, there we go. And I didn't even realize like how much stuff I have. So these are all of my Scentsy waxes, and then these are all of my Yankee candle waxes. I just have like candlesticks in the back, and then this is just another Scentsy. It's like a nightlight, and it lights up, and it also uses a melt. So I thought that would be cute for the bathroom in the lake house over the holidays. And then back here I just have Young Living, what is it called? Anyway, back here I have all of my essential oils, and so now I realize I just have more than I need. I don't need to really be buying any more smelly stuff. And also, like way in the back corner where it's too dark to see, I have some candles that I have not yet used. So I'm going to start using my Scentsy melts again so I can use up some of this stuff. And on this side I put all of my Christmas fragrances, and this is all like not really seasonal, or like the bottom ones I think are summer. So yeah, it's just funny how when you take on a task, you kind of get preoccupied by doing other random things, such as this. So, Princess is being lazy and sleeping, and I've already began eating my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I am going to be editing my cleaning of the chandelier, and that is what I am doing now. Guys, if you have any video requests, I would be really happy to hear them at this point. I have just been working on my calendar. I usually plan out at least 3 to 4 weeks in advance what videos I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but I kind of lost control of things when I decided to do Vlogtober, because I feel like I'm filming kind of all day long, and just we're busy as a family this season anyway, just all through October. So a lot of videos that I wanted to share, I haven't had an opportunity to video yet for you, and I'm kind of at a loss as to like what everybody really wants to see. So I don't know if you're more into cleaning or organizing or Disney or travel or fashion. I don't know. Day in the life stuff. You guys seem to really like the Vlogtober videos, so I'm really, really happy for that you seem to enjoy my kind of day in life. But I would really love any requests that you may have. If you guys can let me know in the comments below, what is it that you're hoping to see in the near future? I can't even. Look at these guys. Oh, you can never sneak up on Leo. Leo hears all. Leo hears you coming. So I just finished putting away all of my Christmas dishes. I put them all back in here. Put away everything in the china cabinet. So that is all situated. I kind of changed it up a little bit from what it was, just moved things around a little bit more appropriately. So yeah, moving right along today. Things are looking good. Ta-da! It's finally done. I still have to put the, what is that called? The leaf in the dining room table, so me and my husband have to do that later just to extend it. These two always have something to say when I pull out my phone. They just can't not be a part of it. So yeah, it looks good. I'm so happy. I love the new area rug. I am so glad that the chandelier is nice and clean, and this kind of forced me to do things I otherwise probably wouldn't have, like cleaning the chandelier and the curtains and all of the little knickknacks and other things that are around, including this chandelier up here and all of these, the whole pottery that was handed down to me from my grandmother. I took the time to wash all of that. So yeah, everything is looking good and clean, and I am very happy. And I'm very happy to have it all put back together again. I picked my giveaway winner this weekend, so that was exciting. I have to get ready to ship this out one day this week, and don't worry, I will probably have another giveaway going on at least for the holidays, so that will be upcoming. But yay, I'm so happy. I was so happy with the subscriber that won too. Like, I really love it when it's somebody that I know and have conversed with in the comments, so that's always super fun. So I have washed and folded all the laundry, and I have been kind of just putting it in the appropriate people's rooms. You can see Princess has not moved yet today, regardless of what I'm doing. She's still claiming her spot. But now I have to go pick up the kids from school, so this is just gonna have to wait until later. So I'm waiting for Madison to get out of school, and I figured while I have usually 15, 20, sometimes even 30 minutes to wait for her, depending on how early I get here, to find myself a parking spot, I'm going to start reading a little bit. So I purchased this book actually last year, anticipating reading it around the Halloween season this year, and it's Agatha Christie Halloween Party. So I'm going to start that to get myself in the Halloween spirit, because hopefully pretty soon we will be able to start decorating our house for Halloween, and I am ready to kind of get in the Halloween mood. I just picked Madison up from school. How was your day?
Good.
Yeah, you had a good day. All right, ready to go have a snack? Yeah, have a little rest time before dance and cheer.
I'm gonna show you guys something.
Okay.
Real quick.
Let's see. And what does that mean? What is that?
It's a little movement thing. It's not sign language or anything.
It's not? You made it up yourself?
No.
You learned it in school?
It's trending on TikTok.
It's trending on TikTok? All right, good to know. Let's go get a snack. We're back from school. I'm gonna have a quick snack. I'm gonna try this Kashi Trail Mix granola bar and some unsweetened applesauce. Well, these guys play like crazy dogs. No biting, Leo. Be nice. They just had their walk and they're still acting crazy. Chester just had his first bath and he's all nice and clean now. And he smells so much better. And now Leo needs a little grooming. I'm gonna give him a good brushing. Right, Leo? Leo does not like to be brushed, but he definitely needs it. Now Leo looks all handsome. I gave him a little bit of a brushing, and we sprayed some nice doggy spray on him to make him smell good. So now everybody is clean and smells not like dog. Look at all that hair. Look at all that fluffy hair. I love it. So I just got back from Target and I thought I'd share a super quick haul with you guys. I have the spicy black bean burgers. That's going to be our dinner tonight. The sweet potato and cauliflower veggie toss, vegetable pasta, some lettuce, strawberries, cucumbers, and then I just have some stuff for school lunches, turkey breast, ham, and cheese. We're trying out these super smoothies, something new, once upon a farm. Some Hershey's pudding, and a pork butt to make some pulled pork, milk, and then I just have some rolls for our dinner tonight, Ziploc bags, and bread. I picked up some Halloween candy. They were buy one, get one 50% off, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. More of the Harvest Snaps, the Mickey Goldfish, and then the Mickey Oreos, which I haven't tried yet. Emily said to let you guys know these are 4 for $5 and they're usually very expensive, so I don't know, I never tried this before. It's mint apple crisp. And then I have my coconut water, my Amy soup that I like, a pineapple, some of these Halloween mini cheese ball treats for school lunches, the Activia yogurt, and some grapes, and the Tazo tea was also so pretty inexpensive. They were like 2 for $6. This is part of Madison's unicorn costume. I thought these were cute. They're like sparkly leggings. And then these shimmery leg warmers to go with it. Chobani yogurt, some Laura bars, the Boom Chicka Pop, and veggie straws. And then we just have mouthwash and dishwasher packs. I needed some more chapstick because my lips are getting really chapped. I never used this kind before, but it seems pretty good. Face wipes and some light bulbs. Yeah, nothing too exciting. And shaving cream. And that is everything that we picked up super quick on our run to Target today. Okay guys, so I am going to end the vlog here. It's just about 8:30 at night. Madison got home from cheer and she's just having a snack because she had such an early dinner. She was pretty hungry. And I am going to take a shower and get ready for bed, and I'm going to upload and edit all of my stuff that I recorded today. I hope that you guys are really enjoying my Vlogtober. Thank you again so much for watching today, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.